Hi everyone, Jack here from Everyday Agile, and in this video I'm going to clarify some misconceptions about Agile. There are many misconceptions about Agile, but I'm going to concentrate on the 8 I hear the most. So let's get on with it. Myth number 1, Agile is a methodology. You may hear this from time to time. Agile with a capital A is not a methodology. It's based on 4 values and 12 principles laid out in the Manifesto for Agile Software Development, which has been around since 2001. So the Agile methodology does not exist. Myth number 2, Agile equals Scrum. This comes up quite a lot. Scrum is a framework that sits underneath the Agile umbrella, if you like. Remember, Agile is 4 values and 12 principles. Scrum is one of the most popular frameworks that aligns with those 4 values and 12 principles. Myth number 3, Agile lacks planning. Agile loves planning, less keen on big upfront plans where we end up assuming what the customer wants. So more planning, fewer plans. Halfway through, myth number 4, Agile doesn't need project managers. Just because we're trying to experiment with Agile doesn't mean we put all of our project managers onto the scrap heap. Yes, frameworks like Scrum that has 3 clear accountabilities of the Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Developer, there's no mention of project manager there. That doesn't mean that project managers don't have good skills and behaviours to bring to the table to help the teams and, most importantly, customers. Myth number 5, Agile doesn't need documentation. Yes, you may be thinking one of the Agile values is working software over comprehensive documentation. But depending on where you work, depending on the environment that you find yourself in, documentation is still important. To me, it's about asking better questions. Do we need that 180-page requirement document up front before we actually start in work? Or are we doing it because that's what we've always done? That's how I would think about it. Myth number 6, Agile is only for software development. Yes, again, it is true that it originated from software engineering, and that is important to remember. But that doesn't mean we can't harness some of the values and principles and apply them to domains outside of software engineering. Myth number 7, 2 more to go, stick with it. Agile can solve any problem. Folks, I'm sorry to say that Agile is not a silver bullet to a burning organization. Yes, it may help you, but it won't be the only thing that you need to do. You need to harness that positive culture to get some of the benefits from Agile. And finally, myth number 8, Agile doesn't work with projects that have deadlines. Completely untrue. We can fix the cost, we can fix the time, but we need to have a better conversation around the scope that can fit within those 2 boundaries. So there you have it, 8 myths busted, so you can help others if you hear them. If you enjoyed this video, it'd mean the world if you gave it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.